All right, guys, welcome back to another beginner HTML video tutorial on coding with Jeff. So far, we've been talking about the boilerplate content, how to leave comments in HTML, and the heading elements. Okay, so if you haven't watched those other videos in this series, I highly recommend that you start from the beginning and work your way up towards this point. Because what I'm doing here is I'm breaking everything into smaller videos to make it easier for you to follow along and for you to get the specific information that you are looking for when it comes to creating different things with HTML. All right, so we left off with the paragraph element. All right, the paragraph element is a very important element because it is how your content is going to show up in a paragraph form. Okay, so usually what you would have here is your page title, then you might have a subheading, and then underneath that you would have your paragraph element. Now remember, to create an element we need to do a left angle bracket, and for paragraph element we're simply going to use the letter P. Okay, so P is for paragraph, and then we're going to use a right angle bracket. Now that is automatically going to create a closing bracket for us, okay? So now we have our paragraph element. What we need to do is put some content in between the P tags, okay? So we have our opening P tag here, and then we have our closing P tag here. The content for the paragraph is going to go right here in the middle, okay? So you can type in some content. This is my paragraph. All right. Or if you'd like, you can, let's see. This is my paragraph that I typed out. All right. Or if you already have some content, you can paste it. You can copy and paste it. So say you have some content in a notepad, we are going to copy that content and then come back over here and we're going to paste it in. All right. So let's leave ourselves a note above our paragraph, and we are going to hold Control and press the question mark key. And we are going to say, this is how you create a paragraph or your HTML document. All right, so that is how you create a paragraph. So you have two different ways here. You can type it in or you can copy and paste it in. Doesn't matter as long as it is in between the opening paragraph tag and the closing paragraph tag. Okay, so that is how your content is going to actually show up on your page. All right, so that is it for your paragraph element, HTML element tutorial. You can create as many paragraphs as you want, and like I said before, you can break up these paragraphs by subheadings. So let's say H2, this is my second section. Okay. All right. So if you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below. I know this was a rather short video, but I like to try to keep it as simple and to the point as possible. This is what you will use every time that you want to create a new paragraph. You'll need to create a new paragraph element to put your content in. All right, so every single time, new paragraph. All right, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments below. I will do my best to check and answer any questions that you might have. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to tune in to the next one where we're going to be talking about anchor tags and how you actually make clickable links inside of your content. All right, I'll see you there.